Igbo verb complement. Most Igbo verbs cannot stand alone. They must be accompanied by nouns. Those nouns are sometimes called nominal complement. So they give meaning to the verbs. Without them, the verbs won't have any meaning. Examples. To eat is iri nri. Nri is food that gives meaning to the verb ri. Without nri, we won't know you're talking about eating. So to eat, iri nri. I am eating, anam eri nri. Again, nri, that's the noun here, food, gives meaning to the verb eri. I am eating rice, anam eri rice. Or if you like, anam eri osikapa. So if you know the specific food you're eating, you can say the food instead of nri, which is food. So instead of saying anam eri nri, you can say anam eri rice. But the rice, the noun, gives meaning to the verb eri. To work, eru oru. Oru is the noun, work. So it's like saying to work. Eru oru. We want to work. Anyị chọrọ ịrụ ọrụ. Anyị chọrọ ịrụ ọrụ. To dance, ịgba egwu. Ba has so many meanings in Igbo. So it could be bambo, that's make effort. It could be boto, go naked. Here we're talking about dancing, so we bring in the noun egu, which means music. So music is what tells us that ba here is referring to dancing. So to dance is eba egu. I am dancing, anam aba egu. Anam aba egu. To clap, eko aka. Aka is hand, the noun hand, aka. Eko aka, to clap. I clapped, akụrụ aka. Akụrụ aka. To bleed, ịgba ọbara. Here again we are seeing ba. Ba, as I said earlier, has so many meanings. So you have to specify what you mean. Ọbara is blood. Ọbara is the noun here that gives meaning to the verb ba. Ọbara, ịgba ọbara. Blood is ọbara. So ịgba ọbara is to bleed. It is bleeding. Ọ na-agba ọbara. Ọ na-agba ọbara. To burn is ịgba ọkụ. Ọkụ is fire. Again, we're seeing ba here. But ọkụ, which is fire, gives it the meaning. And lets us understand that we mean to burn. Ịgba ọkụ. Ịgba ọkụ. His cloth was burnt. Agbara akwa ya ọkụ. Agbara akwa ya ọkụ. Here there's a subject and there's an object, which makes the phrase a little bit complicated. So this will be explained in future lessons. So as you can see, bara has something between it. So we'll have bara, then we'll have akwaya before having oko, because an object, his, was introduced. I will talk about this in another video. To sing, ego egu. Ego egu. Egu is music. So ego could mean, go could mean so many other things. It could mean count, but here we want to say sing, so we have to say music. Ego egu is to sing. She is singing. Ọ na-agụ egwu. Ọ na-agụ egwu. To sing is also ikwe ukwe. ikwe ukwe. This is usually used for hymns or for group singing or for folk singing or things like that. So to sing ikwe ukwe, ukwe is also hymn or music. We are singing anyị na-ekwe ukwe. We are singing anyị na-ekwe ukwe. There are also other ways you can say music, like Igbo abo is also music, but more of religious music, like hymns. So you can say anyị na-abụ abụ. To run, ịgba ọsọ, ịgba ọsọ. As I said earlier, ba has so many meanings. Ba is the verb for so many things in Igbo. So here, ba ọsọ. Ọsọ means race. Ọsọ is the noun here that defines ba. So to run, ịgba ọsọ. I will run. Agam agba ọsọ. Agam agba ọsọ. To frighten, iyi egwu. Iyi egwu. I frightened him. Eyiri m ya egwu. Eyiri m ya egwu. To cry, ibe akwa. Ibe akwa. Akwa is the noun cry. She cried, o bere akwa. O bere akwa. To laugh, echi ọchị. Ọchị is the noun. Ọchị means laughter. Echi ọchị. To laugh, echi ọchị. So without ọchị, without the noun chi, won't have any meaning. So ọchị, that is laughter, is what defines chi here and lets us know that it is laugh. It is to laugh. Echi ọchị. They are laughing. Ha na-achị ọchị. Ha na-achị ọchị. Ha na-achị ọchị. Okay, thank you. God.